Determining the domain and range for quadratic functions, I'm going to utilize a website called projectsharetexas.org. They do a great job of visually looking at domains and ranges. When you take a look at a domain, you want to look to the left and to the right to figure out what are the leftmost and rightmost x values of the graph. And for the range, you want to look at the uppermost and the lowermost. So here's the first example. We have a parabola, and on this parabola we can notice that this arrow on the left hand side indicates it's going up, but it's also going out. And so the domain of this particular parabola we know will be going forever to the left, and so we have an arrow down here of white that's representing it's going forever to negative infinity. Likewise, on the right hand side, the parabola is going forever up and to the right. So for the x values, if we're going to the right, it's going to positive infinity. So the domain is written as negative infinity is less than x is less than positive infinity. Or we can say that that's all real numbers. Now, going over to the range, for the range, we look at the lowest first. And the lowest on the y-axis is that it comes down to 0. And then it goes up forever to infinity, and we can determine that because once again on these arrows it shows it's going up. So our range is from 0 to infinity, and we can write that as y is greater than or equal to 0. Second example, we have a parabola and it's going downward, or we say it's opening down. For the x values, we notice that the arrow is going down, but it's also going a little to the left. So the x values are continuing to go out to negative infinity, and on the right-hand side going forever to positive infinity. The domain is the same as the prior one, from negative infinity to positive infinity. The range on this is a little different. The lowermost value for this range is down to negative infinity because these arrows are going down, so it's going down to negative infinity on the y values. And if we go to the top of this parabola, the highest this parabola goes is positive 5. The range then is from negative infinity up to positive 5, and we can write that as y is less than or equal to 5. Third example, we have a parabola opening up. Once again, the x values are going forever to the left and forever to the right, so the domain is from negative infinity to positive infinity. The range values, well, the lowest this time is at positive 4, so that'll be our lowest y value, and then it's going forever up to positive infinity. We would say this is from y is greater than or equal to 4.